slug don't drug. Sorry. On the move.
Like Jigsaw over here. This baby dino.
It's a pterodactyl.
He has cocooned in the sluggo. I have a question. Do you guys have anything with like slugs on it? It's the theme for my cousin's bar mitzvah, so you think they got any at Walmart? Can you ring this button for me? Can you ring this for me?
I don't
You work there? Do you guys have any like slug merchandise? You know, as they say, slug never falls far from the tree. Oh, Lord. You were hitting it the wrong end.
Pothead.
You can't tell me this ain't like the fucking NPC hotspot.
Mini measuring cup.
No. Shot glass.
So why do you want to work at that Beyond Body? Why do you want to work here? Oh, next person up. So why do you want to work at the Bed Bath & Beyond? We should go to Home Goods. Who the fuck is that? The leg inside!
Nobody asks me if I scratch my balls all the time.
Who the fuck farted again?
Gassy. It's a Jewish llama.
What you mean by that? I mean the second time. What the fuck you mean second?
Well, you know, this is not organized. I have to go to the other place. I have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. Next
She's
door.
getting... Ow!
Of course.
Where them pearls at?
You say where them girls at, bro?
No, but Nate is saying where them
No, he's not. He said girl.
gargoyles?
No!
Hey, but what the hell is that?
Any bird watching books? Like birds that like books about birds? Thank you so much.
You guys can take it out if you want.
Yeah,
Yeah.
project.
Yeah, we're bird watching. And then we took out a bunch of bird watching books. And then we're sitting in the corner something reading about birds.
Why do you guys have bird books? Bird project. The bird flock.
Really bringing out the eyes.
Dressed like a human today.
Ah, yes. Playing spike ball.
Mr. Fire! Mr. Pelican, how's it going?
Got divine music in here? The slug never falls far from the tree.
Slug don't drug. Sorry.
For what?
I said slugs, not drugs.
The guy with better idea.
Who the fuck is that NPC? Hey, Suze. Yes, Suze. Yes. Woo! He likes NPC. Just cheer on your friends. We don't know anyone in here except Suze. Yep. Fucking Suze's society practice. All right, now we're going backstage. So, shit, there's like hella fucking people over here. See, like, look at all these NPCs right now. Life is fake, dude. It's given very much NPC. They're just charging up for the day.
You know, I was having some bad stomach problems.
Okay, she didn't call work.
Oh, that's fine. I'm probably not going to do it anyway.
All right, we are going back to here. NPC's on the phone right now. Couldn't make communication. What is this shit? It's a fucking fish. That's an egg. Oh, there's a hamster in here.
Trenches.
What the fuck is that? See, look, this school has like asylum shit. Like, just a bunch of NPCs doing NPC things. Wonder why no one comes in here after school.
There's no way that guy's real.
That guy's not real. What the hell is he doing? Now time to go see some more NPCs. Ready? Just fucking emerged from the hole of death.